In the world of gaming laptops, upgrading your graphics card can breathe new life into an older machine, offering a significant boost in performance without the need to invest in a brand new system. Today, we're taking a closer look at the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 780M, a 4GB GDDR5 graphics card that promises to do just that for owners of certain Dell Alienware, MSI, and Clevo models. At its core, the GTX 780M is a powerhouse designed for the demands of high-end gaming. Built on NVIDIA's 28nm GK104 Kepler architecture, this card is a close relative of the desktop GTX 680MX but takes things up a notch with more CUDA cores and a higher clock speed. Specifically, the GTX 780M boasts 1536 CUDA cores and operates at a GPU clock speed of 823 MHz. What this means for gamers is smoother gameplay, higher frame rates, and the ability to push settings to higher levels in the latest games. The upgrade process is relatively straightforward, thanks to the card's MXM 3.0 B-type interface, but it's worth noting that not all laptops will be plug-and-play. Some may require a BIOS update, or even a fresh operating SY. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.